Alright, thanks for watching. I'm making this video because somebody told me to go dump this down my well because I had a water test by the city and they wanted to have a water test and they told me to dump bleach down in my well, and guess what happened? My well seized up, it corroded. The guy who said, I got a $7,000 bill because the bleach corroded my well and it's corrosive. That's not what's made to dump in your well. That's the dumbest thing I've ever heard of. I just lost all that money. So I went to the hardware store after fixing my well. The guy told me this product exists. So you go to Home Depot or Menards or one of those big hardware stores and tell them, what do you got for cleaning your well out? Kills bacteria, eliminates rotten egg smell, and all that other good stuff. 20 bucks. Best 20 bucks you'll ever spend if your well's gonna seize up. One jar of like some kind of pellets, and this one's another like sandy green thing. The only reason I'm making this video is to let you know this product is out there. You could probably use chlorine, I've heard. At least it's not corrosive, but you know what? After spending all that money, I'm just gonna go and get this. Didn't know the product existed. There's instructions in here. I think it said you gotta mix it in a 5-gallon drum, pour it in your well, and then release it or open your faucet or whatever. Anyways, instructions are in there. Just making the video because I didn't know this existed and trying to save you guys thousands of dollars before your well seizes up. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if this video helped you.